Mathematics 1, 2016 exam, question 3. Convert the following numbers into binary, decimal and hexadecimal. Before we do that, let's just look at how the numbers compare. Decimal goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and I've done it up to 16 here. Binary goes 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 and so on. Every time you add a 1 to a 1, you need to carry 1 into the next column. And hexadecimal goes 0 to 9 like decimal, but then you have the letters A representing 10, B representing 11 and so on to F, which represents 15. Now conversion from binary to hex is very easy. 8 binary bits is known as a byte. Half a byte, that's to say 4 binary bits, is known as a nibble. And a nibble, which is 4 binary bits, goes from 0 to 15. And a single character in hexadecimal goes from 0 to 15, which means converting from a nibble into a single hex character is easy. You can do it in your head. Converting from decimal is not quite so easy to either binary or hexadecimal, but it is doable, particularly if you work in 16s. Let me show you. The binary digits go 1, 2, 4, 8. So for the units character we've got 1 plus a 2, which is 3, so we'll have a 3 in the hex column there, and then for the other character we'll have a 1, a blank for the 2 and a 4, so that's 4 plus 1 is 5, so we'll have 53 in the hex column there. Converting from binary to decimal or from hex to decimal, first of all take the larger number. So we've got 5 lots of 16 here, which is the same as 10 lots of 8, so that's 80, and we've got a 3, which means that we've got 83 decimal. Now we're going to convert from decimal into binary and hex. I'm going to do the hex first, so let's find how many 16s we've got in 247. So we've got 247 divided by 16. 16 goes into 24 once. Remainder 8, bring the 7 down, 16 goes into 87 5 times, which is 80, remainder 7. So 247 in hex is 15 in decimal, which you can see here is F, so we're going to get F, and then we've got the remainder 7, which is F7. Converting that into binary, F in binary is 1111, and then I generally put a space to separate the nibbles, and then 7 in binary is 0111. Next we've got 167 to convert into hex, so we've got 167 divided by 16. 16 will go into 16 once, and there's no remainder, and then 16 goes into 7 no times, and the remainder there is 7. So 10 in decimal is the same as A in hex, so we'll have an A there, and we've got a 7 in the units column, so it's A7. Now A in hexadecimal is the same as 1010 in binary, and 7 in hexadecimal is 0111. So that means we've got 1010 and then 0111. Right, the final number we've got, a D in hexadecimal, which you can see from here is 1101. Then we have a 5 for the lower nibble, which is 0101. 1101, 0101. Now converting that into decimal, we've got D, which is the same as 13, so we've got 13 lots of 16. Let's multiply that. So we've got 16 multiplied by 13. That's going to give us 160. 3 6s are 18. 8 down, 1 to carry. What's 3 is 3, and 1 is 4. That's going to be 802. So that's 208 plus 5. So that's going to be 213. And there we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 easy marks.